Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stockton Stuff. Yes, you are looking at some Easter baskets because challenge number 6, No Spin November with Call Me Crafty Owl, is a Merry Unbirthday. So the challenge was to make something that was not a project for this season, so no Christmas. So I decided to do Easter. So I used my Simple Stories cut aparts. This is the Hip Hop Hooray, and these are all 2x2s. And I used four of those, and I used I had some other plaids, but I like the ones that were in the Echo Park Have Faith 6x6 pad. And I just did a quick little simple Easter basket. This is a 6x6 piece of 110 cardstock, and then the handle is 11.5 by I did 3/4. I think the tutorial says 1/2 inch, but I just wanted it a little thicker. And I cut hip hop from the Simple Story squares and cut them down a little bit and backed them on the plaid from the Have Faith pad. And then on the back, oh, and these flowers, of course, you've recognized them probably from Hobby Lobby. And then on the back, I used the plaid just to not have both sides be kind of ephemera. And then I did 3 flowers. And so really the flowers are covering the staple. And I could have done a die or anything. I just thought the flowers were cute for Eastery. And I had some Easter shred, that spring color shred, that I put inside, and it would be filled with treats, of course, you know. This one is the bunny rabbit, and hanging with my peeps, which, you know, there's always peeps at Easter time. And then the flower with the bling from Hobby Lobby, and then the 3 on the back. And I just used the same plaid, trying to use up the paper because right now I'm not really trying to do Easter stuff, but I like the idea of the challenge, and it was quick and simple. And what a great little treat for some people that I may know, some little people, to get some candy and things. So again, challenge number 6 for No Spin November. Again, everything was in my stash. I did not buy anything. And it is a very merry unbirthday challenge. So this is what I made, and I did Easter as the holiday. Thanks so much for watching.